In this video, I'm going to be fishing Big Lake, early 2024, pretty early January. Still pretty fresh ice to be driving on, but it was plenty of safe at this time. This video is a mix of a couple different fishing trips I went on early January. Some solo trips, some with my fiance, and some with my two fishing buddies, AK High Adventure and Set It, Snag It, Dip It. They'll be linked down in the description.
So much better.
In this video today, we're at Big Lake, Alaska, fishing for Arctic char, northern pike, rainbow trout, and burbot. This video is a couple days of footage, so it's not all one day. It's about 4 different days in about the same 2 weeks. It was definitely really good action out on Big Lake in early February of 2024.
Spike. See his head?
I have one too.
His head's right here.
I have one too.
You have one too?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy. An Arctic char? I don't know yet. Oh, dude. It's fighting. Can I come see? Yeah. Alright. Dude. I got the same shit, dude. I love these. I got a baby rod on me. Yeah. So it's bending like a noodle. Yeah, buddy, yeah. Char boy, I think. I think I see color. Yeah, it's a colorful one. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, cool, bro. Oh, let's go. Okay. I wasn't recording at first. Play it slow. Don't yank too hard. We don't want it to get stuck on the bottom of the hole. I don't see your leader yet. Just keep going. You have to pull on it every once in a while. Lift up. Okay, we're getting close. It's on my rod. I'm letting line out so you can go.
We wouldn't have ended up losing this fish if I wouldn't have had 3 lines in one small area. Just too many lines and to get tangled up on. Learned from that mistake and won't do it again.
Doesn't like coming near the hole. Baby. Boy. Burbot.
So this is the next day. Come back, tried a different spot.
Hold on. Hopefully it's not tangled in my line again. I'm reeling up real quick. Don't pull up like that, Char.
I'm not. It's right here.
Hit the char. Let's fucking go, babe. Babe. Nice one. There you go. He's rubbing on the ice. I got a feeling it's a pike. Burbot. Nice burbot. Let's go. A hog. It's a fat.
Oh, it's either stuck on the bottom or I had a bite.
Finally seeing us as real scarers. We're going.
Fish.
Oh, well.
People, aliens. Guess my moves are a little rusty. No, we forgot to bring a hostess gift.
It's not huge. It's probably the smallest one so far.
Oh, little baby. It's just a baby. I didn't even record. You fucking yanked it out so fast.
It's just move.
Got one. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one.
Unlike you, I had to work hard.
Play it. Okay.
This one definitely felt like a good fighter. With pike. Oh wow. You just hit it real good. Dinner for your grandma. That's a pike. Woo! 3 species. We out here. Take my photo. There we go.
There you go.
Okay, fill it. Not as big, that's for sure.
Okay.
There we go. He's rubbing on the ice. I got a feeling it's a pike. Burbot! Nice burbot! Let's go! A hog! It's a fat... We're keeping this one. Yeah! Woo!
Hold it out. Look at me. Oh. Close your eyes a little. Close. Okay. you look like...
Get a picture like this. You get a picture of me with holding it?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go! Let's go! Dolly. Woo-wee! Got her in the eye. I'm gonna get her back quick. Whew. It's a nice 20-inch dolly right there. Yeah, boy! There's some action. Burbot. Oh, fat burbot. That one's got some eggs in it for sure. I seen him on the bottom. I seen this motherfucker on the bottom. I said, I'm dropping. Woohoo! God damn! Look at this chunker. This thing got a belly on it. It's like a football. Yo! Burbot! Woo! Now we're fishing. Woohoo!
Look at that fatty.
Got one. Bring it in, bring it in.
Bird.
The bird. Oh man, they're biting. That's a nice one.
Hey. This guy needs to stop slacking and start fishing.
I'm almost done. Only thing I got left to do is scoop out the ice cream.
A few moments later.
It's funny you snagged yours.
I got one. Yep. Oh, he's running! He's running! He's running! Woo! Fire tar, dude.
What is it?
Oh, he's running! He's running! He's running! Woo! Fire tar, dude.
See if you can help me get it. Look at that bend. Woo!
Oh yeah, it's running, man. It's hard too.
What'd you hit on?
Oh, I'm not blocking you.
HOA bait. Yep. Let's see. Probably charge it. I'm gonna let it loose.
He's a good fighter.
Yeah. Probably charge.
Oh, a big burbot.
Either a big bird or a charge.
Something nice. We're getting close.
Yeah.
I don't see your light yet.
Yeah.
Here it is.
What is it?
What is it?
Oh, it's a.
Oh, let's go.
Look at
Nice.
that. Got him on the bottom, bro. To HOA bait for showing us the spot. Letting this guy back go. All right. Gotta be nice to the fish. The fish been nice to us. Goodbye, baby.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Oh, it's a runner. Fish over there. Is fish over there? What is it? Is it a bird?
Oh, char.
Oh, it's a charge.
It's a good one.
Oh, dude.
Play it slow. Play it slow. It's a nice one, dude.
Okay. I'm finding a flasher when I get home.
You see it come up and eat?
Yeah.
Oh,
You see it run up?
that's the biggest one yet, for sure.
Is it?
Oh, for sure, dude. I think you got it on a tail, maybe.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Still gonna get it.
Just have to tire it out so we can get it up.
Nice.
Here, record.
Those are nice colors. Dang.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Damn, I got it from the bottom though. Sorry. Let me take it out. Damn it. The snag.
There you go.
Got one.
Got one?
Yeah.
Alright. Do the favorite back.
Woo.
Oh, nice.
Char.
Is it a dolly or a char?
Char. It's a char. So we don't get fucking haters.
Nice one, man.
Like it.
Right.
So this was pretty early on into this year's ice fishing season, and I've learned quite a bit since. For starters, try not to wear gloves of any kind when you're handling the fish, as it can remove slime and do damage to the fish, as well as putting fish on the snow and ice. I know I do it here a couple times in this video. I've learned now, and I try not to do it as much as possible.
You stay in the hole?
Keep that fish off the ice and keep gloves off your hands, and that will help the fish survive longer if you're going to be catch and releasing.
Get my GoPro. good one.
I don't have a camera.
Yeah. Where's my GoPro?
I'm off.
Yeah, I gotta move out here, man.
Yeah,
I might have to do it.
let's go. Huh? No. The rod was bent over nice.
Whoa, look at that. Look at that.
Little one. Oh, back in the hole it goes. Bye.
Easy release. Right here.
Yes. There we go. Bird. A nice bird. A good, decent. Woo! Pooping. Ah, stop it. Yeah. Photo.
Do the long way.
Got you.
Coming back.
Oh, I finally got it on.
Ooh, Icky High Adventures hooking up with the burbot.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice one.
dang. It's finally worth it.
Yeah, it wasn't a waste of a
Let's
trip.
go. Oh my god.
Woo.
I waited all day for this.
Yeah.
Hold her up.
Oh,
Everybody else is caught at least 2 fish.
yeah, except for me. Oh, let's get this in the picture. Okay.
We're around.
Let's go, boy. Hang on, transducer. Just drilled a new hole. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Woo! That's the hog I'm looking for. There's my light. The char. Yo! Let's fucking go! Yes! Let's fucking go. $23. Woo! Let's fucking go. 23 inches. Woo! That's what I was looking for. That's a beautiful fucking fish. Yeah! Woo! Fuck yeah.
This is so fun. And he went up on stage, he had so much fun. Oh yeah. Like he just showed up and I was like, do you want to go up?
Yo, I just put my pole down.
My kid go up.
I was texting my... Oh shit! I was texting videos of my fish and
And he's just like, oh my god.
bird. Burb!
I saw he was at the Ice House the other day, so maybe he's doing more stand-up now. He's got the itch. We know how to do that.
Hey, that Burbit, baby.
Retired. Ron's on tour again. Yeah. When Ron's girlfriend said, come to Ron.
Turn on, motherfucker.
I ain't going to no bullshit party. For something
well,
that's never gonna happen.
I know it's on. Just can't see it. Look at that. Look at that grease ball.
Ron, you do whatever you want, but you're not retiring. Stop saying you're gonna retire. You're just one of the greatest of all time. You're not retiring. Shut the fuck up. He's so funny. He's better now than he's ever been.
Grease ball on the HOA Bates, baby.
He's doing sets all the time. He comes on nights where he's not, where he doesn't even want to do it. It's just home away from me. He needs to be around comedians. Well, when we had that Christmas party the other night, we were all huddled
Come on.
up in the green room.
Straighten up, straighten up.
Space. Yeah. This is like, it's a clubhouse. It's like the ultimate clubhouse. Yeah. So fun. It's the best. The last that we had in that room.
Yeah. Woo! Okay.
So silly.
2 fish down.